Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Gigantosaurus face from the new Jurassic World Dominion movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Gigantosaurus face, we're going to begin with the eye. We want to start right about here, and we're going to begin by making a line that just goes up and then down. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down and then up here. We want to draw a curved line right around the top, and another one that's just going to go up and down, kind of like for the eyelid. Then we'll make a few broken lines right underneath here. Right inside of here, we're going to make a little circle shape. We'll leave a little bit white, and we'll just kind of color in the rest. Starting here, let's make a nice line that's going to go up here. And then we're going to bring it down. Next, we're going to bring a little line that's going to come up and down. Very broken. We're going to use a lot of broken lines in here. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a long broken line that's going to come out to here. And right here, we're going to go out, and then we're going to bring this down. And bring this line out and down. Next, we're going to make some little of these kind of like bumpy lines. These are just going to be some different spots where we're going to kind of stick some teeth. And we're going to bring this all the way down to here. Then we're going to kind of straighten it out a little bit and bring it down. Next, we're going to bring this up, and we're going to bring it down here. Starting here, I'm going to go down and in. Then I'm going to come down, bring it up, and we're going to come all the way up here for the jaw. Right here, we're going to make a little line that comes down. Now, starting right up here, I'm going to make some little bumpy lines. They're going to go up, and then they're going to come down here. We'll start up here, we'll go up and then down again. This is just going to kind of show some different texture on here. So we're going to go up and down, go up and down, and we're going to continue this all the way around, and then we're going to bring it down here a little bit farther. Make a little line that comes down, and we're going to bring it over. The little line's going to come down and in here. Right about here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curve around for the nose, and we'll make a little broken line around here too. Now, starting back here, we'll make another line that goes up and down, and then for the back of the head, we're going to go out and come in, and we're going to repeat this a few more times. Down here, I want this part of the neck to be kind of wavy, so I'm going to make this kind of wavy, bumpy line with a nice long broken line here and another one here for part of the neck. Now, the teeth of the Gigantosaurus, they're very kind of jagged. They start out small in the back here, and they're going to slowly get bigger. So we're just going to kind of fill in back here with some small jagged teeth. This is very similar to how the Indominus Rex looks. We'll slowly start to get them a little bit bigger, and we want to use some of these big openings and stuff that we made, these bumps, to kind of fill in some of those teeth here. So we put some behind each other, and we're just going to make some kind of sharp pointed teeth up here. And then we're going to make some more kind of sharp pointed teeth along here. Very similar to, a little bit smaller as you get towards the back. Put another couple up here. Mega line's going to go down, or up and down, and that's going to come back out to here. I'm going to bring this down and kind of refollow that shape. Next, we're just going to kind of draw a little line that's going to come down for the other side of the mouth. And we're just going to fill it up with some more of these teeth. Nice and big ones up here, and then slowly get smaller as we come back. We're going to make a nice kind of broken line here, and another kind of long broken line up here. Now we have our basic shape. We want to come in here and add some different details of our Gigantosaurus face. One of the things we'll do is make some little kind of broken line curve shape here. Just show a little bit of an indentation. Maybe even another line right there. I'm going to make kind of like a big curved one right here with a little line here. Just show some indentations. A couple little kind of broken lines over here. And some nice long ones in here for some detail. Even on the tongue, I like to add some extra little lines, just to give it a little bit of texture. We can make some little lines up here by the mouth. And a couple little more lines right around the face here. I'm going to kind of angle up a line in here just to make him look a little bit angrier. Then we're just going to kind of come in here and add some different lines. Adding all these details, definitely one of my favorite parts, just to kind of come in here, make some different broken lines everywhere, add some cool stuff. So it's really up to you. I just like to find little empty areas and just add these little lines on here. Little spots where I think they might look pretty cool. The neck, I'm going to add some little lines like this right along the edge. And just a few kind of broken lines coming up here. And a few more right around here too. Now the Gigantosaurus is going to have some spikes as well. To start off, we want to put a small spike that just goes up and down here. And then we're going to make some taller ones as they come back. He has some pretty good size ones on the top of his head. And then they quickly start to get a little bit smaller. Same thing, once you've made these, just kind of add some of these extra lines on here. Definitely along one side of them for sure, and maybe a couple more over there. And maybe just a few more around here, a couple little extra lines for some little bits of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Gigantosaurus face. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.